Hi, Paraton weather meteorologist Paul Dorian here on Wednesday, May 26th. A lot of weather to talk about this morning. We have a cold frontal system that will drop southeastward into the northeastern part of the nation later today into tonight, and it will cause some scattered showers and thunderstorms. Some of those thunderstorms can be on the strong to severe side. There's another wave of energy in the upper part of the atmosphere way out in the western states that too will cause some severe weather later on today, tonight, into tomorrow out in the middle part of the nation and the eastern part of the Rockies. And then something we haven't seen in quite a while in the mid-Atlantic region. It looks like a widespread soaking rain event from Friday into Saturday. It will be a chilly rain event as well, but much needed rain for the mid-Atlantic region. At the same time, we have an ocean flow of air causing much below normal temperatures as we enter into the Memorial Day weekend. It stays unsettled, I'm quite certain, on Sunday as well, with plenty of clouds in the mid-Atlantic region. Still cooler than normal, maybe another shower or two. There are signs that Monday, Memorial Day itself, will turn much nicer with plenty of sunshine and, as a result, milder temperatures as well. Let's start off with the severe weather threat for today. And again, in the northeastern part of the nation, there is a chance for some strong to severe thunderstorms associated with a frontal system. We're talking about the late afternoon into the evening hours, probably 4 or 5 p.m. all the way up to 9 or 10 p.m. in places like D.C., Philadelphia, New York City. This will be more of a scattered variety, scattered showers and thunderstorms. And again, some of those storms could produce some damaging wind gusts. Out in the middle of the nation, also chance for some severe weather. In fact, a better chance right in the heartland of the nation, all associated with some cold air to the north and west and a vigorous wave of energy in the upper part of the atmosphere. Well, let's take a look at WSI's Intellicast.com, the radar map in motion across the nation. First of all, we have this frontal system right here across the Midwest all the way down in the deep south. That is what is moving basically from the northwest to the southeast and will cause some strong to severe thunderstorms in the northeastern quadrant of the nation late today into early tonight. And look at this, still some blues showing up on the map here. We're not too far away from June, and yet there's still some snow in the northwestern part of Wyoming. Very cold air, strong wave of energy in the upper part of the atmosphere. All could result in a severe weather outbreak later today, tonight, into tomorrow out across the middle part of the nation. So still quite an active weather pattern here as we get to the end of the month of May. Well, let's focus in on those wave of energies aloft, or what we call the vorticity maxima. Vorticity is really just an area of spin in the upper part of the atmosphere that can lead to strong upward motion down at the surface level. We look at vorticity maxima to determine where low pressure areas may form, and in this case where some severe weather may form. We have two such areas to deal with today as we begin the day here on Wednesday. One wave of energy cutting across the Great Lakes. Again, that is the one moving from the northwest to the southeast. It will produce enough upward motion later today, early tonight in the northeastern part of the nation, the Mid-Atlantic, the New England area, eastern Great Lakes, to cause some scattered showers and storms. And again, some of those storms can be on the severe side. And look at this. This is a bowling ball here, a very strong wave of energy associated with that severe weather threat today. Later on in the eastern part of the Rockies, all the way to the central part of the nation. That's not only later today, it's tonight into tomorrow. And this is the system that will produce a beneficial, widespread soaking rain event for the Mid-Atlantic region, a chilly event as well, later Friday into Saturday. Let's now go into motion. First of all, is this initial wave here causing some scattered showers and storms in the Mid-Atlantic region, the northeast U.S. later today into tonight. And here we go with some cold air associated with this system as well. Some snow in the very highest elevations right now across Wyoming. That produces severe weather out in the middle of the nation, and then it treks to the east and southeast. And you see here, by the time we get to Saturday morning, low pressure will form over the Midwest by late in the week, Friday night time frame, and basically move east into the Mid-Atlantic region to off the coast of the Mid-Atlantic region by Saturday. And here's that wave of energy. Now watch what happens. It kind of slows down, hangs around. Here we are all the way into Sunday morning. This is why I'm not too optimistic for sunshine on Sunday in the Mid-Atlantic region, the Northeast U.S. We have this upper level energy still sitting and spinning on Sunday. I expect plenty of clouds, maybe a residual shower or two, definitely cooler than normal. That finally kicks on out of here by the time we get to Monday morning. At least it begins early Monday to kick on out of here, and then by later in the day Monday it scoots on out of here. So we have increasing amounts of sunshine on Monday, Memorial Day, in the Mid-Atlantic region. With that increasing sunshine, temperatures will respond nicely, probably bounce back to the 70s. Still a little bit cooler than normal for this time of the year, but not as cool as what we'll get on Friday and especially Saturday and Sunday in the Mid-Atlantic region. Looking upstream, yet another wave of energy as we begin the month of June out across the Rocky Mountains and the central U.S. Well, let's walk through the surface forecast maps from the operational run of the GFS 6Z model run. And here's the frontal system as we begin the day on Wednesday. Here's some snow and rain out across the northwestern part of the nation. And let's move forward here. Again, talking late afternoon, early evening, probably 4 or 5 p.m. to 9 or 10 p.m. in the I-95 corridor region with respect to the threat of those strong to severe thunderstorms. The biggest threat will be really two threats: some potential damaging wind gusts, and hail is a possibility with some of these thunderstorms late today, early tonight, and not only in the Mid-Atlantic region but up across New England as well. And here's a cold Canadian high pressure system over southern part of Canada by early this evening, and that slides across Canada, heads into the southeastern part of Canada later in the week. And we've talked about anytime you have a high to the north here in the Mid-Atlantic region, you likely going to get an ocean flow, an onshore flow of air. And this time of the year, that brings in much cooler conditions than you could otherwise have. Certainly, we could expect to see high temperatures on some Memorial Day weekends in the 70s and 80s in the Mid-Atlantic region. Not this weekend. It looks like more like the 50s and 60s with this cool air outbreak. And here we are into Thursday night. Look at this low pressure area, well organized low pressure out over the Midwest by the time we get to Friday morning. So the setup is low pressure out over the Midwest with that strong upper level support and strong high pressure cutting across south central Canada into southeastern Canada, setting up an ocean flow of air into the Mid-Atlantic region, and hence much cooler than normal conditions developing Friday and really intensifying on Saturday into Sunday. And this system basically moves from west to east from the Midwest on Friday to off the Mid-Atlantic coastal waters by later Saturday. And indeed, I expect a soaking, a widespread rain event, something we haven't seen in the Mid-Atlantic region for several weeks here, and pretty ugly start to the upcoming Memorial Day weekend. Here we are Saturday evening still, as we saw with that upper level feature kind of hanging back. The surface low will also tend to stall out off the coastline, keeping it very unsettled in the Mid-Atlantic region through the day on Saturday, Saturday night, and most likely into Sunday as well. This is now the Sunday morning forecast. Still high pressure off to the north and east, still an ocean flow of air. Absolutely not beach weather on Saturday or Sunday along New Jersey coastline or Delmarva Peninsula or anywhere up across the northeastern part of the nation. Again, with that upper level feature sitting and spinning, a low level ocean flow of air, expect plenty of clouds to continue on Sunday, maybe some occasional showers and drizzle. Do have some improvement coming on Monday. Here we are on the Monday morning forecast. Low pressure just grudgingly starting to push away here, probably increasing amounts of sunshine in D.C., Philadelphia, and New York City on Monday, Memorial Day. Temperatures will respond noticeably with that increasing sunshine, bouncing back to the 70s after a very cool weekend on Saturday and Sunday with highs no better than the 60s in the Mid-Atlantic region. Here we are beginning the next week, Monday evening forecast map. Yet another strong area of energy in the upper part of the atmosphere, some rain across the Rockies into the Central Plains, and this too can produce some severe weather. We'll talk about that over the next several days. So a lot going on here. First of all, more of a scattered variety of showers and thunderstorms for the Mid-Atlantic region later today into early tonight. Some of the thunderstorms can reach strong to severe levels, potentially with damaging wind gusts and hail, and then a more widespread, what we call a stratiform or synoptic scale type of rain event, a chilly rain event from later Friday into Saturday for the Mid-Atlantic region, the first such soaking rain event in several weeks. Still unsettled and cool on Sunday, and then some improvement on Monday, Memorial Day. For Peraton Weather, I'm meteorologist Paul Dorian.